Alright guys, firstly hope you've all had a really good Christmas. While I've been off, before I was off, I've been doing a lot of working late at nights, weather's not been too good, and I've not really had a chance to get out my RCs, so I've seen this on sale on Steam, on PC. If any of you have got PC gaming, you'll be familiar with Steam, but it's called Vrc Pro. It's absolutely amazing, this little game here. So you've got all your cars, like for example, got buggies, NASCARs, drift cars, pan cars, short course, nitro, electric. You can also, the cars you select, you can change the motors, change the setup. So I've got a little SCX10 here, sorry, SC10 Team Associated car, and I'll just show you just now. As I say, that isn't usually a normal channel thing I would do, but I just thought RC wise it's pretty cool. So I've got a little practice on this track to show you. I'm using the Xbox pad here, but what you can actually do is you get a little USB connector that you put one of your receivers into, and basically what you do with the receiver is you plug the receiver, so in your channel 1 and 2, your steering and your throttle, into your USB and your PC, and you can actually use your, see, whatever controller you've got, you can use that to run the cars. But for just now I'll use the Xbox pad. So obviously you can change your batteries, gear ratios, there's like world championship level stuff of this as well if you wanted to get really into it. But I mean, just check this out. So there's different views and things you get. This is a sort of, just the sort of standing on the wee base area view, but you can fly about. So here's my little truck going round, probably make a fool of myself driving, I'm not done too much yet. But the handling's so realistic to a real RC car. It's really a lot of fun. You could probably get good at general racing just by driving it. So I'll do a couple of laps of this one, let you see it,
20.78
and after that what we'll do is we'll show you some of the road car stuff and different tracks and some of the options. So just thought, bad weather, still get your RC fix at home. Oops, there's a crash by me. So push space and it brings me back onto the, where you're putting the car back on the track. And yeah, it's just a bit different. There's also, before we do another lap here, I'll show you as well, the view wise, you've got so you've got a follow view, you've got TV camera views, different rostrum views. I usually stick to that, like you're standing watching your car, and you can also zoom in and out to make it closer or further away angles. Really not pay attention to my driving here. But I'll do a couple of laps this one for you to see, then we'll move on to something else. But yeah, I just thought, for, I think it was £20 on Steam, just quite a lot of fun. And it really, it's hard to explain, because when you drive a real RC car, you kind of get that floaty feel through the steering and probably your brain thinking it, and you can feel how the car handles. And in this game it feels the exact same. So they've really nailed the physics of how the cars behave. Even they're hitting the brakes in the air, which I messed up trying to show you. Hitting the brakes in the air, you can feel the car shifting weight, changing balance. So yeah, just something maybe you guys would be into. Maybe if you guys do get into it, we can make a little race series or something like that. It'd be good fun. But yeah, so I'll finish this last lap with the little trophy truck. I'll do a couple of laps on road, and I'll show you some of the other things that it's got as well. Maybe one more lap. Try and get a complete lap.
21.49 seconds.
That's a bit better. So you're really on and off the throttle and brakes, and just try to not be too brutal on the steering, just like a real car. Just hit the wall. Kind of got away with that almost. But you can see the general gist of how much fun this is. So
lap 6,
there we go, there's some of the off-road stuff.
Seconds.
What we'll do is we'll come out of this one. And before we go and show you the other racing, I'll show you some of the, how do you do the setups and things like that. Also you've got multiplayer too, so you can enter different races and things like that. There's events they've got going on that you can enter your times in. Car setup, that's what we wanted here. So in the setup you've got your chassis, so you can see the Team Associated chassis there, and you've got all different versions that you can pick your cars. Then also you've got your motors, So there you go, you've got all different kinds of race motors you can pick for. Change your setup how you want it, maybe make it like your own car. Speed controllers, it's all there guys, it's really really detailed. Batteries as well, gens Ace, etc. What else have we got? Wheels and tyres, all different kinds of colours and patterns and things. Different bodies you can get. There you go, all the big brands are here. There's more you can get as well, I think, if you buy add-on packages, but I've got fairly basic version of it just now, a little transponder for your times. Yeah, like I say, I don't know why I'm making this video. I think the game's just really impressed me that much, so I thought I'd show you a little bit of it. You can even change things like what board your car's on, table lighting, what different. There's so many crazy details here you can have. It's really just, for a game, it's mega impressive. Right, so before I give you a shot at showing you the road cars on it, I'll just show you the variety of tracks you've got. So here's all the tracks. So you've got like some actual real tracks. I don't know if they're all real tracks, but you've got off-road style ones, big ramp tracks, carpet tracks, road tracks. I've tried the nitro cars, they're so fast it's really hard to get round until you get the knack of it. But there's ovals are fun and things like that, and you've got like 4S cars, 2S, whatever. So right now I've done a lot of 2S stuff because I'm not very good at the game. The bash track I had a little shot of, I don't know if I can see here, the bash pit. That's quite fun as well, so you can actually go on that, do all different jumps and just play around. But before we do anything else, I might not show you that all today, it's just a general showing you the game because, like I say, it's really impressed me. So we'll do a little on-road one. So let's see what we've got. Let's see what kind of track we've got. Try Bangkok Long. I've not even done this track, so don't expect any great driving. So obviously it loads the track up and the physics and all these things. Select car. Let's see. Go for a nitro touring car then, since we're talking about them. So I'll go for a low. Let's see what we've got modified. NR10 RS full option. I'm not even sure what that car is yet, to be honest, because I've not played that much of the game. It's just kind of going through it with views as I'm discovering it. But here's my little car here. Got all your setup things, you can do the same. Obviously it's nitro this time, and we'll go to just do a practice drive just now. Right, here we go. So you can see the track. We load up our little car. See your braking.
Welcome to this track.
So many things you can
Enjoy
adjust.
your racing.
Everything you can kind of do if you really spend a lot of time and get obsessive. But we'll just keep it stock just now. So you keep the rostrum cam too. You see how bad I would do at a real race of these. Oh, tipped over. Yep, not a good start. The carpets is what I've done mostly, but it really isn't easy. You go to the end of the track before you know it. Oops, came off the track there, I'll try again. So this won't be the best driving you'll have ever seen at this game, this is just me getting used to it, but... Right, maybe this track's a bit too much for me. We'll do a different one. Let's have a look. Select track. Let's do something nice and simple. There was a track I quite liked. What one was it? I think it's one of these carpet tracks. It's possibly this one. .110th electric on road. Let's pick this one here. What car have we got? Yeah, this is a little car I used before, this little Team Associated. So time trial, practice now, and it's quite good as well when you're actually doing the races with other people, because it gets quite intense, especially if you're quite even with each other. You can get some good racing.
Welcome to this track.
So
Enjoy your racing.
this is the track I think I spent the most time on. So as you're coming round on the straight, and you can just try to beat your own time. So it'll give me a time at the end of the lap. This corner is quite tricky just for the angle you're looking.
Lap 1, 14.71 seconds.
14.7 even, so come round. I don't think we're beating it this time. Messed up the corners.
Lap 2, 15.04 seconds. Lap 3, 14.76 seconds.
14.7 again, so that's the best I've got. Oh, that's a better couple of turns there, so just keeping the power on in this corner is quite tricky.
Lap 4, 14.19 seconds.
14.9, so lost time there. But you can see when you start going round, you start getting determined to beat your own times, so it becomes a lot of fun.
Lap 5, 14.27 seconds.
14.27, that's quick for me. So yeah, we'll just finish this lap just now.
13.81 seconds.
Yeah, we'll just have a quick going over the game in general.
Lap 7, 14.41 seconds.
14.41. I mean, yeah, there's a just general quick look at this game. So this is quite a good way how you can look at things as well. So you've got your batteries here. Like I said before, they've got all different brands and things you can use, and yeah, everything's just really fun and quite addictive. So also, I don't think I mentioned you can change the colours of your cars, different body decals, paint schemes, so a lot of different things. So yeah, on a dark rainy night like this here tonight, for example, you can still get a little RC fix in the house. And yeah, if that's something you're interested in and want to see more on the channel, let me know. If not, it's just a one-off video. And yeah, Vrc Pro guys, really good game, really recommend it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys with a video soon. Hopefully get a car out in the next couple of days, get something up on the channel. But yeah, this is what I've been kind of doing in my nights just now, playing a little bit of this. And yeah, that's it guys. So hope you're all having a great holiday. I know I have been, certainly had a great time with the kids and stuff. And yeah, off till after the year now, can't beat it. So we'll definitely be getting some RC stuff coming. Paul out, see you in the next one. And yeah, any question on the game, if I can help you out with it, let me know and I'll do my best to do that. Bye.